Are you one of the millions of people paying a fortune for inkjet cartridges? What about all those different model numbers? Help! Maybe you've tried to save money with one of those refill stores, but the quality can be awful, and just when you need it most, you've run out of ink. What a hassle! Now there's a solution. Introducing Free Ink Forever, your easy ink replacement provider that can save you hundreds of dollars. Did we say Free Ink Forever? Yes, we did. It's easy. Now you can get your ink in the mail, delivered straight to your door, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, we'll send you a full set of backup cartridges and a prepaid return envelope. Out of ink? No problem. Simply drop the replacement cartridges in your printer and drop the empties in the mail. We'll send you the new set to have on hand when you run out of ink. It's as easy as that. Do it over and over again for every printer in your house or office. No more stress, no more hassle, and best of all, once you register with Free Ink Forever, you'll get your ink free for life. You never have to buy ink again. It doesn't matter what brand your printer is, we've got the right set of inkjet cartridges for you. Each one is inspected, cleaned, and fully tested before they're sent to you. And best of all, they're 100% guaranteed. And did we mention that you'll get free ink for life? It's easy. Call the toll-free number on your screen or log on to our website right now. When you register, we'll send you a set of ink cartridges perfect for your printer, plus the prepaid return envelope. Best of all, once registered, you can have high-quality ink delivered straight to your door free for life. You simply cover the shipping and handling. Stop paying astronomical prices and don't wait till you run out of ink. Call or log on today.